So the first thing that makes Xhosa music history interesting is ihlombe, which is a form of party music where you get transported into a trance-like state where you experience overwhelming joy. And I think they did this as a way to deal with depression. They also popularized and came up with unique ways of playing bold instruments, and they also have very interesting ways of singing, like the throat or overtone singing. They also use different wind techniques along with their clicking language to make very interesting sounds with only their voice. And they also have youth parties called umchocho, where the youth are encouraged to explore their curiosity of adulthood in a controlled environment. And they are also encouraged to police and organize the whole event by themselves as a way to practice responsibility. And the South African national anthem came from a Xhosa hymn written by a Xhosa man named Enoch Sontonga.